everyone, welcome back once again to my official YouTube channel English by Preeti Bhardwaj. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will study the poem Rain on the Roof from the textbook Beehive of class 9. This poem is written by an American poet called Skinny, where he is telling us about the healing power of rain and his childhood memories related to rain. Now let us look at the explanation of the stanzas one by one. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. In this stanza, the poet is telling us that the sky, earlier the sky was full of stars, now it is covered with the clouds which are full of humidity. The clouds are floating in all around in the sky, and there is a melancholy darkness. Melancholy means sad and darkness means night. Okay, so he is trying to say that the night during the night when it was raining outside, that night was sad, the poet was not happy, and it looked as if the night was weeping, the night was crying in the form of rain droplets. Okay, next he says that it is a bliss for him to lie down in his bed. Bliss means happiness. Okay, he says that it is a bliss for him to lie down in his bed when it is raining outside and to listen to the patter of the soft rain. Patter means the sound of rain. Okay, stanza number 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now, in this paragraph, in this stanza, the poet is telling us that with every tinkle on the shingle, tinkle means ringing sound, and shingles are the tiles which were placed on the rooftop. Okay, so with every tinkle on the shingle means when each raindrop is falling on the tiles on the shingles, it is producing a ringing sound for which the word tinkle has been used. There is an echo in the heart of the poet. Okay, with every tinkle on the tiles of the rooftop, there is an echo in his heart, and there is a recollection of thousands of dreams and thousands of memories in his mind. Okay, next he says that and 1,000 recollections weaves their air threads into woof. Woof here means weaving process, the process with which we weave cotton into thread. Okay, that is the process woof. So here he is trying to say that all the dreamy fancies, fantasies and dreams and memories have now starting recollecting in his mind, and they are weaving themselves as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. And this all is happening when he was listening to the patter, to the sound of the rain rain upon the roof. Okay. Stanza number 3. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now this last stanza is related to the childhood memories of the poet, as he is saying that now in memory comes my mother. He is remembering his mother as she used in years agone, and he is telling about a routine habit, about a daily activity of his mother in years agone means years ago. To regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Now, what was the habit of the mother on daily basis was that she would come to the room of the poet where he would sleep with along with his siblings. She would come to that room, and on daily basis she would look at her children. She would observe them very carefully in a very affectionate manner. And why would she observe them? Because she would left them till the time it was dawn in the morning. Okay, because for the whole night they will be sleeping alone, they will be sleeping without their mother. So the mother would come in the room daily to have a look at them, to observe them once. Okay, Next he says that, oh, I feel her fond look on me. And the poet is saying that he can still feel that fond look, that look of love and affection of his mother on himself as I list to this refrain. List here means listen. As he listened to the refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Okay, and he can still feel the fond look of the mother when he was listening to that repetitive sound of the continuous rain, and the continuous rain which was producing the sound of tinkle when it was falling on the shingles, means on the tiles. So that's all about the poem Rain on the Roof. I hope this video will help you out in understanding this poem better. If you have liked the video, hit the like button. In the comment section down below, let me know which topic you want me to cover next. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.